I have an attorney for a case where an 18-wheeler hit me, and my lawyer is not returning my calls now. I need to know if I need to get me a new attorney.
Not answering your phone calls, Kathy. Okay, thank you for that question.
Well, that's a good question. I don't know how long you've been trying to reach that attorney and him or her not returning your phone calls. That attorney probably knows your case better than anyone. I would recommend trying to stick it out. Obviously, if you're not getting a call back, within a week or two, there's obviously a problem there. I recommend going to see the attorney, which brings me to another great point, and that is with all the the billboard attorneys and everything.
Yes.
There is such a comfortability feeling that you can just drive 10 minutes or 5 minutes to your lawyer's office and knock on the door, and that your lawyer's going to be there or somebody's going to be there, the paralegal's going to be there. They know you. They live in the community that you live in. They're trying to protect you and the community that we all live in, instead of you being what an insurance company does, put you as a claim number. You don't really get to see your lawyer, never talk to your lawyer, and I just don't know how they practice law doing that.
Wow, so we should be selective whenever we find representation. How do I know that someone is a reputable attorney? What are some resources where I can go and find that? Of course, word of mouth is a good one.
I think that's probably the best one is word of mouth, because someone has been there in that situation, they've gone through it, and they can tell you at the very least, don't go to that attorney because I didn't get good representation, they weren't calling me back, or whatever the issue is there. But you can also Google. You want to get an attorney that practices in the area that you're looking to get representation for. For example, if someone called me for a family law problem or a wills or estate problem, I'm not going to take it, because I am not the best person to represent you in that case. There are others that are a heck of a lot more qualified to do that, and it would not be in your best interest to hire me. But if it's personal injury, that's what we do. That's what we specialize in.
Yes.
So definitely be selective. Make sure they practice in the area of the law, primarily, at least, in what you're trying to seek representation for.